Welcome to Grow a Garden. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of plant mutations. Get ready to explore how these changes can transform your gardening experience. First, let's understand what genetic mutations actually are. These are changes in the DNA sequence that can lead to different characteristics in plants. There are two main types of mutations: spontaneous, which occurs naturally, and induced, which we can create in controlled settings. Some common mutations include variegated leaves or flowers with unusual colors. Each of these changes brings a unique beauty to your garden. Embracing mutations can lead to improved resilience and enhanced aesthetics in your garden, contributing to a more biodiverse environment. Environmental factors such as radiation, chemicals, and even temperature can induce mutations, playing a significant role in plant development. In gardening, techniques like seed radiation or chemical treatments can intentionally induce mutations, allowing for plant innovation. Mutations play a critical role in plant breeding, allowing gardeners and scientists to create new plant varieties with desirable traits. It's important to consider the ethical implications of inducing mutations. We must weigh the benefits against potential risks to ecosystems. In conclusion, understanding and embracing plant mutations can lead to a more resilient and vibrant garden. Let's harness these amazing changes together.